Here's your tarot energies for the year 2021.
Aries.
Aries, it's all about transformation, whether you like it or not. It's all about taking charge of your life in this year. The energy symbolizes the end of major phases or aspects of your life, those that you realize have no longer been serving you. And believe it or not, these are going to be very good endings for you, even though they might feel uncomfortable, because they are going to open up and open you up to the possibility of far more valuable changes to come in your life, far more valuable movements in your career to come into your life. You must close one door and open another. Do not hesitate. You already know which aspects of your life feel lopsided, so release them and let them go. You need to put the past behind you, especially the challenges of the COVID year of 2020. Put them behind you and start opening up to the magic of what the new year wants to bring. Embrace new opportunities and possibilities, no matter how scary they might seem. First, be able to recognize, which are the opportunities which are new and which can add value to your life. It is a time of significant transformation, and life is going to move at full speed for you. Welcome all of this change, and it's going to be very cleansing for you. It's going to be transformational. It's going to be it's sort of going to come like a big force into your life. So don't be afraid of sort of channelizing your inner power when you have to cope with all of these sort of monumental changes coming about. Find your inner strength and find your true power and put it out in the world. This is not a year to shy away. This is the year to sort of talk about your achievements, put yourself out there, be in the limelight. You may feel like changing your job for some of you, but you are not doing so because you sort of believe that it offers security. Ask yourself if that's true. If it's really offering you security, well, you can stay with it. But if not, please shake yourself out of this illusion and look for what's out there. It could be self-employment, it could be starting a business, it could be moving to a bigger, better company, a different role. Everything goes this year. So think about, what kind of changes you want to make. Be more pragmatic. However, that does not mean that you have to be absolutely reckless and risky. You can plan things accordingly and you can make decisions, but just know that everything and all decisions that you make, be rest assured that there are going to be optimistic outcomes, Aries. In summary, for the year, say yes to change, release the past and surrender to the present. Transformation is going to take you places. Have a fantastic one.
Taurus.
It's going to be a monumental year for you, Taurus. No matter what you've gone through in 2020, 2021 is going to bring with it massive amounts of growth in your career. All that you've dreamed of is coming into fruition. You are going to be surrounded by life's pleasures and luxuries, and you will have everything you wanted. You will be living a comfortable lifestyle. For some of you, I see an actual pregnancy or childbirth, and it can also be symbolic of like a birth of a new idea or project. Everything is coming together. It's a time of sort of all the pending things of the last year will start coming into completion this year, and you will also start feeling whole and complete as you start finishing all the tasks that have been left hanging. If some of you feel you haven't quite reached this point of completion or you're far away from it, then be rest assured that you will be very close to the finish line on projects this year. It may surprise you to look back at your progress and see how much you've achieved. Look back and learn from the past and see how you can make things bigger and better this year. It's all about expansion for you this year, Taurus. If you feel like you want to start absolutely new things, that's fine, but make sure you put a closure to all the pending things of last year, be it projects, be it if you have to serve a notice period, if you have given a commitment to someone, make sure that you finish all those sort of obligations and then look to take bigger leaps. Some of you will be traveling a lot this year, so that there's overseas trip. There could be work travel. Some of you are traveling abroad to take up a course to study. Some of you have online clients which are overseas clients. So it's a very good year for sort of global aspects in terms of work, travel, and just even studying and expanding your horizons. I also see some of you, finding new appreciation for people and cultures from all across the world. So, just keep your eye on the bigger picture. It's all about expansion sort of this year for you. And always, even if you're working local, think of, where you can take this international. It could be, relocation also with a particular company where you can, think of working for the same company but in a different country. uh, I see some of you also getting promotions and raises this year at your workplaces. Business is going to expand. All in all, it's a fantastic year. If anything, be careful rather of, don't get too sort of cocky and arrogant with all this success. Please be humble, stay grounded, and with that energy you can keep achieving more and more. In summary, you will be fulfilling a monumental goal in your life. Life comes a full circle, and you will be birthing new ideas into the world. Go conquer, Taurus. It's a fantastic one.
Gemini.
Gemini, you work so hard to create abundance in your life. This year is about being able to sustain that abundance. It's about also enjoying the fruits of your labor of all the previous years and how far you've reached in your career. So make sure to be independent, have self-confidence, and discipline is very important to sustaining this abundance that you've created. Discipline could be in the way you live your day-to-day life, your schedule, responsibilities, lifestyle, sleeping at the right time, eating at the right time. That is going to propel you forward in your career. So discipline is the key theme for you. You've also created a stable foundation for yourself, some of you Gemini. There is material wealth and comfort. Now, it's also going to be a year where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy these sort of, these fruits of wealth that you've created. There is going to be this comfortable, pleasurable life with money, leisure, fun, good company, travel, rest, all of it. But don't forget to sort of still find discipline in your life and still sort of go after your goals, because you cannot get complacent. So stay clear of complacency. Some of you have created abundance, but others of you are being urged to find that independence for yourself, to find that abundance for yourself, and sort of look at the long term. Think wisely, invest wisely, seek financial advice to make most of your wealth. Don't rely on others this year to support you. You are your best friend when it comes to financial matters and career advice. So, look at your own inner guidance for that. A lot of you could also be wondering if you are enough, if the skills that you have are valuable. You might ask yourself whether you can charge higher prices for your services if you are self-employed, if you are a business, and if you are employed or working with a company. You might ask yourself if you are earning enough, and you might want to ask for a pay raise at work. Go ahead and do it. It is the year to stand up for yourself and ask for what you think you deserve. Some of you are actually undercharging for your services, so please go out there and increase the prices and don't accept a lower salary. This year you will have to claim what is rightfully yours. Overall, you have used your financial prosperity well to build a comfortable home life. To continue doing so, you are advised to have a separate savings account and think of the long term, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, even 8 years down the line. So you can, take care of yourself when the time arrives. In summary, prosperity and security are assured. Taking care of the practical needs of work, home, and family, and not just your career. You'll also have to give time to your family and sort of enjoy those kind of luxuries and comforts. and well established foundations to build on should be your priority now. Have a fantastic one.
Cancer.
Cancer, you are urged to keep fighting for what you believe in, but also know that what you're fighting for is worth it or not. Stand firm, own your position, and don't change who you are to keep others happy. Map out potential threats, risks before moving ahead with your plans. Double check and be very sure, before you say yes to something, that this is what you want, especially when it comes to finances, career, business decisions. That way you can have the worst case scenario planned out already and ready to go for the year. Stand firm in your convictions. For some, the struggles have now cleared out and you have the freedom to move forward. Once again, you were feeling very stuck. So, that stagnant energy suddenly opens up now and you can start sort of, pushing the accelerator on your dreams. Remove all distractions and devote yourself to your career tasks this year with total concentration, determination, and will. This experience of throwing yourself all into a singular goal is going to, make you feel highly productive, and it will allow you to accomplish a lot in a short time. Ensure your activities, your day-to-day activities align with your broader goals and invest in the right things at the right time. If you have been feeling stuck and you just can't seem to shake that feeling off, do things differently. It could be new routines, new locations, new activities. If you've been working from home too long and you're feeling stuck, maybe, try changing location and taking a vacation somewhere and working 2 weeks from there. Try going to the office twice a week and try working from there. Shake things up to, break this rut of stagnancy and get the energy moving once again. You are getting your life in order right now, Cancer. Be it physical health, emotional well-being, your energy levels, your routines, your spirituality. You are in an excellent position to balance all of these aspects in life, this year. In summary, fast-paced change is inevitable. Defend your position if you have to, on the work front, but know what it is that you're fighting for, and you have the freedom to move in any direction. So make your choices first and then go all out. Have a fantastic year.
Leo.
Leo, you are expressing yourself fully in your external world and you enjoy being the center of attention this year in 2021. All eyes are going to be on you. Stay fiercely determined and focused on your goals while also being friendly and optimistic with those around you, people who you have to work with. If you have to support a team, if you're part of, the senior management in an organization, make sure you're supporting everyone and working in tandem. That's how you will also get your success. Be bold in your undertakings and actions. You have so much to offer, so shine your light bright. Discover who you are and be courageous in expressing you in everything that you do. Find your authentic self and put it in all your dealings on the work front. Even though it might not be, standing up to other people's expectations, you are asked to be uncompromisingly who you are this year. You may find yourself trapped between the short-term pleasure you may receive and the long-term gains you may experience. The path of instant gratification is always tempting, but it does not bode well for long-term gains and plans, so keep that in mind. This year serves as an opportunity to bring negative influences of your life into your conscious awareness, Leo, so you can finally take action and free yourself from their hold. Think of patterns, people, situations, beliefs, relationships, that have been toxic, and now that, those that should have been released a long time ago. This year will serve as an opportunity for you to sort of free yourself from them. Shine your light on the low vibration beliefs that you've been carrying, with yourself and that have been standing in your way for so long over time, and loosen your grip that they have over you. Confront your inner fears and anxieties, Leo, to free yourself from the chains that are binding you to limiting beliefs and unhealthy attachments. Eliminate those things you know are harmful to you and your inner psyche. This year is all about releasing, detoxing, saying goodbye to people, things, jobs, environments, all of those that have held you back for so many years. You need to identify what that is for you. It could be creating a healthier diet finally. It could be watching less television, quitting smoking, spending more time with your loved ones, or focusing more on your goals. Uh, it's all about bringing things together and sorting yourself this year. Overall, it's a fantastic year, as courage and confidence is going to get you through. You will be, the focus or the center of attention, be it in your business, self-employment, job, on social media. You might gain a lot of followers this year. If you are into blogging and book publishing, it's a great time for you. Reevaluate beliefs to transform negative patterns and free yourself from self-imposed restrictions. Have a superb one.
Virgo.
You are comfortable with who you are, where you are, and you happily express this part of yourself with others in 2021. There's finally this feeling of self-love, and you worked so hard to reach here. You see new potential and allowing your creative ideas to just flow. It's a fantastic year for creative projects, endeavors, creative professions, artists, dancers, singers, musicians. All these professions are going to thrive. Let your imagination and talents unfurl to new opportunities, career goals. Some of you may be thinking of starting a side project, a side hustle. Please go ahead and do it. If there's something you feel you were great at in childhood and you never got a chance to sort of recreate that again, this is the year you can finally pull that magic out, and recreate and put it out in the world. You have the power to share your inner radiance and positive energy, bringing great happiness to those around you. So you're also going to work well with people this year, be it team members, be it colleagues, bosses, even collaboration projects are going to go really well. And you will find, Virgo, that the more you give, the more you receive on multiple levels. So focus on being generous. There could be, for some of you, a creative offer that is presented to you. It could be in the form of a new job, something completely different than your present career field, something that you've never done before. Allow yourself to receive and say yes, because this will be, it'll be good for your soul on many levels. This year is about creating abundance for yourself and also independence, so you can take care of yourself and your loved ones in the long term. Don't be scared to splurge, indulge, or pamper yourself, especially as a reward for all the hard work you've put in over the years, especially in 2020 with COVID. Treat yourself to a special occasion, gift yourself, take a solo vacation. Solo travel is going to be really good for some of you. Just celebrate life and your journey. I mean, you have to lighten up and not be so serious. You have already achieved so much, Virgo. Enjoy it while you can. While you may not be at the finish line just yet, there is work to be done. It's not going to be an absolute smooth sailing year. Of course, there are going to be minor glitches here and there, but there's nothing you can't handle this year. Just try and make the hard work also fun, because there is going to be, for people who've been in organizations for a long time, over 5 years, there is going to be more work and more responsibility coming your way. Just ensure that you enjoy doing it, right? Overall, financial independence arrives, creativity and passion is going to bring out a winning streak for you, and keep the hustle going, make the hustle fun. Have a fantastic one.
Libra.
Libra, it's a great year for being in conventional employment or jobs. So for those of you who have been in organizations or who are working for someone else, you will see success, you will see promotions, you will see appraisals finally this year, especially because I'm sure in the last year they were stalled. For some of you, if you have mastered a particular field of study, in that case you may be taking on the role of a teacher or a mentor to others. For others of you, you may be receiving a teacher or a mentor in your life. In this position where you've reached so far, Libra, honor and acknowledge all the responsibility that is going to be entrusted on you, and share your knowledge with everyone. Respect age-old traditions and move in a structured way, which means it's not a year to take big, bold risks, but continue doing what you know best. So if you have been in a particular field of profession or a career, What can you do to take that career itself forward instead of finding other avenues to make money? Go with a tried and tested model for 2021 and follow the convention, because then success is guaranteed for you. You're not yet willing to go out on a limb and offer any new innovative ideas. Instead, you adhere to the fundamental principles and rules that you know will sort of bring out the best in you. Those looking to switch fields or start a business, you could do that, but gain the required skills. If you have to study, please go ahead and study and then get into a business. Employment opportunities look bright and you are willing to put in the work, Libra. It's a year of hard work for you. There could be few run-ins with authorities or conflict with authoritative figures. It could also be parents, it could also be elders you stay with, work with. But if you stick by the rules, victory is yours. Some of you may have recently changed your work, education, or financial circumstances. Now you are applying your sheer determination and concentration to master all of these changes and sort of take charge of these changes of last year. The key focus is to apply yourself diligently this year to any task that you take on, and don't let your need for perfection get in the way. Be open and flexible to changes that could come along your way, and be open to adapting with different kinds of people, with different kind of projects. Overall, it's a fantastic year of security and stability, Libra. Building foundations for the long haul, supportive guidance, mentorship, protection, new learning and development that is going to lead to progress. Have a superb year.
Scorpio.
You may be on the verge of significant breakthrough, Scorpio, or a new way of thinking that allows you to view the world with clear eyes. Or you may have a sudden realization or conscious understanding about an issue that's been troubling you for very long, and you can finally see the path ahead. There will be some power entrusted to some of you this year. You will need a healthy heart and mind to use your ability to serve others and yourself. So think about how you can use these responsibilities. Be very clear. It's what you want in your head and your heart both. Be very aligned in your decision makings. The road ahead might look bumpy and you can expect a few challenges along the way, but if you maintain a success mindset, you will be able to navigate all these sort of hurdles with ease. For some of you, you may have too many ideas on the go and too many plans going on, and you may find yourself unable to commit to one course of action. This year invites you to spend more time defining who you are and what you want in life in understandable terms, in very clear terms. This is an excellent year, Scorpio, to start new projects, pursue different approaches, or learning different skills. This year's career goals will require your intellect, communication skills, and your mental power, so you can be at an all-time high. You have so much energy that you feel as though you can do almost anything and everything and you can conquer the world. You can, but don't be disoriented and channelize that energy in the right way. The challenge for you will be keeping up the pace of all this stamina, energy, this adrenaline that's going to sort of make its way to you. You are also very much in the exploratory phase of your life for others of you, and not mastery. So you may be prone to making mistakes along the way. Some of you might just be starting off your journey in your careers, but your curiosity means that you're eager to learn and you can master all the slip-ups as well. In summary, get the wheels in motion. It's not a year to stay inactive or passive. Make things happen for yourself. Be open to discovering where your inner true potential and talents lie. Don't put unnecessarily pressure on yourself. Be true to who you are and then go all out for achieving it. And clarity is very important. Again, asking yourself what your priorities are and going for just those. Have a fantastic one.
Sagittarius.
You have to find ways to compromise and see eye to eye on work projects this year to gain the best results. Conflict, tension, and disagreements could arise, and they should be tackled with tact, forgiveness, and honesty, Sagittarius. You are ready to move forward in your life and create positive change, but this competitive energy and comparing yourself to others may get in the way in 2021. It's very important for you to bring your energy back within, ground yourself, come back to the beautiful, soulful person you are, focus on your achievements, who you are, what you want to put out in the world, and not compare yourself with other people. Leave past mistakes behind as well. There could be options to choose from on the work front. Both possibilities may seem equally good or equally bad, and you may be stumped about how to go about this and which option will lead you to the best outcome. The best way is to weigh the pros and cons of each choice and make conscious judgments. Use your mind and intellect and also your feelings and intuition to choose the path that is most in alignment with your higher self. Find the balance with the head and the heart. You may need to temporarily cut yourself off from the external world this year. Some situations might be feeling chaotic on the work front. Feel free to sort of take a sabbatical, and if that's not possible, just take space from some projects or some decisions. Clear your head a little bit. You might, those kind of situations might arise this year. Make decisions based on your internal compass as much as a pragmatic approach could be important, but also look out for the highest interest of all to take the best course of action. This year might not be the time, Sagittarius, to try new ventures, locations, or business investments. Instead, focus on safeguarding what you've already created for yourself, what you've already put out in the world. Focus on honing your skills better. Focus on polishing what you already know to be, good for you. Don't take risks this year. Instead, play safe. Also, find a way to work well with people, because that's going to be your lucky streak and that's going to take you forward to success. Partnerships, decision making with a team is always going to sort of propel your career forward in 2021. So keep that in mind. Overall, compromise is key. Look for win-win solutions to all problems and make the status quo exciting. Have a fantastic one.
Capricorn.
You have a clear vision of where you want to go in 2021. So all the confusions of 2020 are finally culminating into clarity. Get ready to manifest that vision now with the support of those around you. Fortunately, you will have colleagues, peers, family supporting you. Others may naturally gravitate towards you because they are going to find you very charismatic, focused, and determined this year, and people are going to believe in your vision. So if you are a leader, or if you are starting a business, a startup, or you are looking to sort of expand your team in organizations, hire new people, it's a great year for all of that. You are going to be supported 100% of the way, even financially. It feels like you have savings of the past that are going to help you this year. This year is also reminding you, Capricorn, to lead your life with intent, vision, and a long-term compass. So don't waste your time on activities and relationships you believe are going to lead you nowhere. Cut them at the source at the very beginning of the year. Don't even drag these things into the middle of 2021. You already know what these draining activities are. Instead of going with the flow, you are being urged to embark on a direct and robust course of action. So maybe take the month of Jan to plan out your activities and schedules for the next 11 months. An opportunity is going to present itself for some of you, and you have the power to take on the challenge. It could be a new job. It could be someone offering you partnership in a business. It could be something to do with land, property, real estate, those kind of investments. All of them are going to bear fruit. So it's a fantastic year for those kind of investments as well. The stock markets also might be doing a little better than the previous year. But also know that while it is all about you being a leader and you being this charismatic person and leading people, supporting groups of people, communities, you also have to be focused on how to work with people, how to be a part of the team, and deliver what is expected of you. So expand your career, Capricorn, in your chosen profession with ideas, learnings, exciting opportunities. If you don't find one, create one. It's a great year for experimenting as well. Just go all out and don't hold yourself back. In summary, the giant leap in career and financial planning comes about. Claim your power now and be a conscious and ferocious leader. Have a fantastic one.
Aquarius.
The energies reflect permanence and creating a lasting foundation for future success in 2021. It's a year of commitment to a sustainable future, taking into consideration the short term gains of a particular venture and the long term benefits. A consistent approach will achieve the success that you've been waiting for all these years, and it is going to sort of last the test of time. For some, it's time to question or review your financial and career moves. Example, some opportunities or a job may look good on paper, it may look good on LinkedIn, it might be what is expected of you, but is it what you want? Is what you have to ask yourself this year. Your home life will be happy, however, and you can provide your family with the security that they need. You are also strongly connected to your family history, a heritage, a part of a long lineage that goes before you. So, people in family businesses are going to see a very prosperous year. Continue if you are with working with your family in a business and you have a legacy going, it's a long running business, continue doing that because 2021 is going to give you gains in that aspect. Stay true to your to who you are, your traditions, and work on projects accordingly. For some, even though things might not be going your way immediately as the year begins, new opportunities and possibilities will make their way by middle of 2021, but you have to be ready to receiving these. It's time to shift your mindset and focus on what can go right from here onwards. I feel like some of you are still mulling over past opportunities. You are putting yourselves on a guilt trip. That's not going to serve you. Be open to the brighter side of life and know how many blessings are there right now. Remember, not getting what you want is also a wonderful stroke of luck sometimes. Instead of giving into the glass half empty perspective, look at it from the glass half full. It's time to cut your losses, learn from the past mistakes, and move on. I feel like the sulking energy going on for some of you. Stop doing that because you're depleting and draining yourself, and because of that energy you might miss out on certain opportunities that want to make their way to you, which are knocking on your door. Good news about property investments, family wealth, legacies, pensions could come about for someone in your family or for you. Overall, shift to the prosperity mindset, Aquarius. Investments, business, career advancements are all likely, and you have enough if you give gratitude and look closely. Have a fantastic one.
Pisces.
Some of you feel like you don't have enough, or you may lose something important to you in 2021, even though it hasn't happened yet and there's no likelihood of it happening. I feel like these are just fears that you're carrying forward in this year. You don't need to do that. Please redirect your attention to what you have now and what you want in the future. Finally, some of you can see a way out of your financial difficulties and hope is being renewed. This year could significantly see an end for very difficult times that some have had in terms of your living situation, in terms of job losses, people who got laid off. In 2021, Pisces people who got laid off in 2020. In 2021, you could see new jobs coming your way. You may also find new sources of income for others of you, a new job, a new business opportunity, someone coming to offer you help, finding a mentor, a legal advisor, someone with an expertise who's going to help you get back on your feet. So be open and receiving to this help coming your way. Some of you may also be contemplating overseas travel, further education, or a significant career switch to expand your horizons beyond your immediate environment. If you feel like you want to start a completely new business or change your career and start from scratch, you can do that. There's nothing that should stop you. You should have the confidence and be okay to building yourself up all over again, because this time you will be successful. With careful planning, however, and a moderated approach, you will set yourself up for accomplishments coming your way. Some of you will choose between sticking with what you know and taking a risk. Both routes are okay, as long as you stick to the route that you've taken once you've chosen it. You understand that the world has something more significant or meaningful to offer, and some of you want to go looking for that. Yet you also realize that you must leave your familiar grounds to capitalize on opportunities. So it will be like this push and pull going on, but when you put yourself out of the comfort zone, you always see the results on the other side. It's almost like the caterpillar becoming a butterfly this year. Keep exploring your options and carefully plotting the plan ahead, Pisces, accounting for all possibilities and potential challenges. You are open to growth and exploring new territories. So don't keep that childlike adventure inside you dead. Let it wander, let it explore, because that's where the magic is. In summary, exploring new avenues in terms of career, finances, work, and business, moving towards creating financial stability and taking that responsibility in your own hands, and taking the first step and understanding that the staircase will appear. Have a fantastic one.